Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me with some new products. I'm going to be using this awesome Wet n Wild palette. So beautiful, am I right? I mean, those colors, come on. And the all-new Wet n Wild Cushion Foundation, which my sister has been raving about, so I had to try it myself. She was making me very jealous, so here I am. I have a few Wet n Wild liquid lipsticks, and that's pretty much it. We're just gonna have a nice get ready with me, little chat, and hope you enjoy the video. So, first things first, we're gonna prep the face with some Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. I just, like, bathed in that. Okay. Definitely gotta wait for my face to dry down a bit because it's aggressively prepared for the foundation. Alright, oh yeah, we're feeling nice and tacky now. Perfect. And we're gonna go right in. So I have the Wet n Wild Cushion Foundation in the color Light... The sponge fell out. Light Ivory. This is what it looks like. It's a little mirror in there. And you open it up like that, and it's right there. Pretty self-explanatory. Don't mind my nail, it's really gross. Oh my god, this is way too light. Way too light. Ooh, well I guess we're just gonna have to try to make it work. Oh, Catherine, what did I do? I'm gonna actually spray my sponge. Let's see how light this is going to look. Honestly, it dries really fast because kind of hard to blend. Honestly, yeah, not the easiest to blend. Pretty nice though, I'd say. It's like minimal coverage. Once again, I did not put that much on, so I'm just gonna try this time just by dipping it right into the little sponge. Yeah, this is way too wet. Loving this foundation though. I really hope this color ends up working out because kind of a bummer that I got the lightest shade. Honestly, don't know why I did. You can still see some of my spots. I'm definitely gonna go in with another layer to see how much we can build it up, but this looks much darker than it's showing up on the face, and as well as the actual product. So I'll just fall out of my clip. I do really like how you just dip your sponge right in there. And I do like this little door. It's like double sealed so it doesn't dry out. Yeah, but I really like the way that this is packaged and I really like applying this. Alright, why is it so dark in here? That's a little bit better, I guess. This is a beautiful finish, I must admit. I'm definitely going to be attempting to make this color work for me on a daily basis, but why does this happen to me so often? It's because I just buy stuff thinking that I can make it work. Because I just want it so badly. I'm like, yeah, I can do that. I have foundations that are lighter than my skin. I always make it work. But don't do that. Okay, so this is what the foundation is looking like. I'll zoom you guys in. I mean, just honestly, I think it looks beautiful. It's medium light. It's like light medium coverage. You could do either way. My skin looks beautiful, I think. It's really dewy, naturally dewy, but it is definitely a tacky finish, I'd say. Oh yeah, The girl is tacky. Oh yeah, she's tacky. So, gonna have to set it and forget it. But first I'm gonna go in with concealer, and I'm gonna be using the Revolution Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define, my new favorite concealer. I have it in the color C4. This is such a full coverage concealer. Reminds me so much of this Shape Tape. See, I can tell that this foundation is so light because it's lighter and it's like the same color as the concealer. And we are concealed and defined. Thank you. And of course, Coty Airspun in Naturally Neutral I'll be using to set the eyes. The under eye creasing is so minimal with this concealer and setting powder combo. I swear to you, as soon as I put this powder on, it literally erases all of my creases. Okay, I'm gonna go into the rest of the face. Alright, and for bronzer, see, it's still a little tacky, which that worries me because if I get oily at all during the day, I'm afraid it's going to make this even tackier and oilier and just super heavy, but let's cross our fingers that that does not happen. But for bronzer, I'm going in with my Butter Bronzer, which you can tell I have been in love with, and my fluffy Wet n Wild brush. I mean, my skin does honestly look flawless with this foundation.
That's good.
And for blush today, I'm going to be going in with my Burt's Bees Bare Peach blush. This is what it looks like, super peachy and beautiful. I'm going to be using my Densely Packed Wet n Wild brush, face brush. And for highlighter today, we're going in with Anastasia Glow Kits, and I'm feeling bronzy, like golden goddess, so I'm gonna go in with this gold color Summer here. And I'm gonna be using my Morphe fan brush. It is the M310. Just gonna go in like so. Oh yes. And I'm going to set my face using my Mario Badescu spray, but holding it further away. Doesn't that just feel amazing? This foundation's coverage is honestly just gorgeous. Okay, I'm worried this video is too dark. The lighting is very strange, but it's alright. Okay, and now we're gonna go into the eyes with this beautiful palette right here. It is the Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach. I like that name because it's not a basic peach. This is what it looks like. These colors are beautiful. Now I already swatched them, and it should be interesting because the swatches weren't the best, but that does not mean that they won't look good on the eyes. Wild flat eyeshadow brush. Let me zoom y'all in. Okay. And to start off, there isn't really, where is this? There isn't really like a cream color to put all over the lids because this one right here is shimmery and this one's like a little bit dark, but I'm just gonna go in with that anyways. Ooh, girl, look at that fallout. That's already not a very good sign. Like, what? Look at that, you guys. Let's see what this looks like. This logo. Oh. That's crazy. You know what? This is just way too light. I mean, way too dark, so. I'm just grabbing my Laura Lee palette, and I'm just gonna put the cream color right here all over my lids to leave a base for the eyeshadow. I literally need to transition my camera because it wouldn't stop focusing on that light, so might as well just fix it to this. So now we're gonna go into the Wet n Wild Not Your Basic Peach palette. And I'm gonna go into, this is actually called the Transition. It has transition shade. So does this one, so I guess for darker skin tones. So it would be a little bit dark for me. Crazy amount. Not seeing too much with that transition shade. Oh, maybe a little bit more over here. So maybe I will dip into this darker one right here, just a teeny bit. Okay, Fallout is much better. I'm gonna go into this orangey color right here. Fallout is not as bad again. Putting that into the crease as well. This time I'm literally in the crease, just popping it in, blending it back and forth, barely touching. And I'm gonna be going into this corally shade right there. It's actually like a shimmer, but I'm putting it right in the crease. I feel like these colors are blending kind of oddly. I don't know. I'm going to cut the crease. Where's my concealer? Where is it? Oh, right in front of me, duh. I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm going to go with my Morphe M167 flat brush. Now that I have cut the crease, I'm gonna go back into my Laura Lee Los Angeles palette and just go back into this cream color and set the stuff that I put, the concealer. Messed up my crease, cutting crease on this side a little bit, but this side's looking good. Okay, and I'm obviously going to be using this beautiful blue-green color. It is so pretty. It's a shimmer, so I'm crossing my fingers that this works out well. And I'm gonna try first not using any setting spray or water of any type. Looking a little chalky, honestly, on the brush, but oh my goodness. That's a no, so I'm gonna try spraying it now. Alright, that's a little bit better. Honestly though, I was hoping for much more pigmentation on this one. You know, I was thinking maybe since the mattes weren't that great that this will work out, but honestly not feeling that confident. Okay, so after a few more layers being added, it's not too bad. Not the best, but let's just finish this other eye. Not a fan. Definitely not a fan. Finished this look that I'm a little bit sad about, not gonna lie. I'm gonna go back in with my Morphe M167 and go into that creamy color right there. This is really dirty actually, so I'm actually just gonna use my finger. Okay, and I'm gonna pop this in the brow bone. these colors are just not blending the greatest. Yeah, that's alright. Mediocre. Overall, that palette is not my favorite. I love Wet n Wild too, so it's sad to say that. Wet n Wild is one of my favorite drugstore brands, so this is not the greatest. I'll definitely try it out some more. Cause like these colors are beautiful. These three right here. Going with the gold right there. It's like a yellow gold. It's actually a beautiful gold. And I'm definitely spraying it because we know how that turned out last time. I'm putting this on my inner corners. Yeah, am I right? And I'm dragging it under almost halfway across the eye. Thinning it out a little more here. I'm going to go back in with this brush and like this transition shade that we used. Okay, so I popped on my eyebrows as well as my lashes, my real lashes. I just used mascara. And now, sorry, that was my mirror. And now I'm just looking at the eye look. It's alright, you know. Nothing too crazy. I like nothing that I'm like, oh my god, this was the best eyeshadow palette ever. Like, I honestly am gonna say I don't recommend this. It's not expensive, so I'm not feeling like I wasted my money, but it is like real money and it isn't worth real money. I'm sorry, Wet n Wild. I love you. Loved that foundation. This was great. This was not. This, seriously, this packaging is super nice. The product is great. Oh, this isn't a mirror. I literally thought this was a mirror. It's just tin foil. Am I weird? I'm weird. But it doesn't come with a mirror, so maybe not the best for travel, but it comes with like this tin inside, which I literally thought was a mirror. So. But now for lips, I'm gonna go in with, I think, this color. Just for the sake of the video, you guys, because I haven't used this on my channel. It's the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick. I have it in the color Rebel Rose. I also have it in the color Nudist Peach. They're both super pretty. This is the applicator looks like. It looks like a little chair. I really, really enjoy.
That's good.
So we have applied our liquid lipstick and this color is absolutely gorgeous. This stuff dries down really matte. It doesn't dry your lips out at all, which is great. It's exactly what you want in a matte lipstick. They last a pretty long time and the pigment is great. So here is our final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys next time.